Hello again. So let's proceed to check number 3. This is ultimate soil pressure. And this is just an offshoot of check number 2, which is soil pressure at service loads. Ang gagawin lang natin ay palitan natin si summation P ng PU, si MY ng MUY, MX, this is MUX. Dahil dito ay service loads, dito sa number 3, ultimate soil pressures. So, balik tayo sa Excel. So, I will just copy this. And then, ito magiging 3. Tapos, ito magiging PU. This becomes MUX. Then this becomes MUY. Pero, yung values niya, syempre, mag-iiba na rin. Itong si PU, magiging 4160. Tapos, si MUX, magiging 166.3. And then, si MUY, 146.3. Okay, 146.3. Then, dito tayo ngayon. So, ang stresses natin magiging FUA, then FUB, FUC, tsaka FUD. And, palitan din natin itong mga nasa baba. Yan. So, diretso na tayo ngayon dito sa with orthogonality effects. So, 157.43. Eto siya, considering orthogonality effects. Tapos, EQ at Y direction. Ayan, ito siya, 153.81 tsaka 177.93. Dito. Which is, dito sa pattern, natapos na natin ito. Dumiretso tayo dito sa orthogonality effects. Now, what if we will not consider orthogonality effects? Ito yung concentric with moments. Kapag ito siya, ano? Ayan, 157. Ito, 153. Kapag ang sagot natin dito, consider orthogonality effects, no, ang mangyayari dyan is, since 100% si X tsaka 100% si Y sabay, parehas na lang yan. Okay? Parehas yan. Which is in Excel, eto yon. Okay, so 150, 160, 171. Okay, yan o. See? Parehas sila. So, balik tayo dito. And let's change this back to yes. Next, dito tayo sa ating pattern. Iko-compare natin ngayon si allowable FU tsaka kay actual FU, or allowable ultimate stress and actual ultimate stress F sub U, and it should be greater than 0. And meron tayong provisions na tatlo. Okay? So, etong si allowable FU, this is equal to this equation. Q sub A times PU all over summation P. So, we will solve this one. Etong si Q allowable tsaka si summation P, na-solve natin yan dito sa, I think, sa station or check number 1. Ayan, remember that Q allowable is Q sub U all over factor of safety. Yan. Okay, Q sub U all over factor of safety na 3 magiging 200. So, palit tayo dito. So, maglagay tayo dito ng Q allowable is equal to 200. Let's say, input data yan. This is in terms of KPA. Tapos, si summation P, red din yan. Balik tayo dito sa ating sample. Si summation P ay 3190. Okay? So, ito. So, this is 3190. And then, dito na tayo. So, allowable FU is now equal to QA times PU. Nasaan si PU? Nandito siya sa taas. Ayan, 4160 divided by summation P, which is nandito sa baba. Ayan, so 260. Next, so na-solve na natin tong si allowable FU. This should be greater than FU. Nasaan si FU? Ito. Nope. Ito dapat yan. So, palitan natin ito ng Q sub U. Okay? Next. So, Q sub U is equal to the maximum of these three conditions. QUB, FU, tsaka QU sub Q. Ngayon, itong tatlong conditions na yan, ito. Si QU sub B, this is based on Besabilia. It is the average of the 4 corner stresses. Tapos, ito naman si F sub U. Kunin mo yung maximum nung 4 na stresses. And finally, QU sub Q, this is based on QCSI. Okay? Ito, ang QU sub Q based on QCSI, this is the equation. Ito. Okay? So, QU sub Q, 6 times FU. But what is FU? It is the maximum of these 4 corner stresses plus P all over BL plus 6 MUY all over BL square plus so forth and so on all over 8. The reason why dinivide niya ng 8 is kinuha niya yung average nito. Take note na considering MUY, naglagay siya ng PU dito. So that is isang PU. And then sinabay niya itong due to MUX. Siyempre meron din siyang PU dito. And then so, dalawang PU na yan, ano? Etong FU, this is maximum of this 4. Minultiply niya ng 6. So, 1 plus 1 plus 6, that is a total of 8 times. So, dinivide niya ng 8. Okay? So, ang ating QU ngayon is maximum nitong 3. So, that is what we're going to do. Okay, to get this condition. So, balik tayo dito sa check number 3. So, ang una nating gagawin is ito, QUB. So, that is equal to wait. Take note, meron tayong dalawang conditions dito, earthquake x plus 30% EQY, and then ito. So, dalawang condition ito. Unahin muna natin yan. Tapos, susunod natin dito. Ayan. Okay, so QUB is equal to the maximum of this 4. Okay? Tapos, dito tayo ngayon kay QCSI. So, this is simply FU. Oops. So, we copy this. We forgot to divide this by 4. So, this is now sum. Yan. Sum yan, ano? Divided by 4. And then, itong FU, it is simply the maximum of this 4. Okay? Next, punta tayo ngayon kay QCSI. So, this is Q sub U, Q ulit, is equal to is equal to 6 times FU, ito, plus the quantity. Okay, ayan, look at this. PU all over BL, nasan siya? Nandito sa taas. Ito. Okay? Then, close ko na yan, temporarily. Nakalimutan kong palitan ito ng PU all over BL. Tapos ito, palitan din natin ng 6 MUY and then 6 MUX. Okay, so let's continue. Take note that this is still AA, BB, and then this is CC. Okay? So, si BB, si MUY. So, this becomes now BB. Okay? So, let's continue. Ulitin na lang natin ito. So, this is equal to 6 times AA plus, maglalagay ako ng space dyan, plus, and then malaking space ulit, and then open parenthesis, PU all over BL, this is FU pala, ito, sorry, yan. And then, yung PU all over BL, this is your AA, plus, remember na yung MUY, I think this is BB, di ba? Yan. Then, enter. So, si BB, ulitin ko lang, is MUY all over BL square, which is this. Okay, let's continue. And then, yung dalawang parenthesis na yan is ito. Tapos, space ulit, plus, open parenthesis. Ito ngayon, this is still AA, plus, and then MUX is now your CC, and then close. Ngayon, i-divide mo lahat yan ng 8. Tama, mali? Mali. Dahil, nakalimutan nating i-group yan. Ito. So, take note na malaking numerator yan. Yan. So, this now becomes 174.17. But, this is due to EQX only. So, uulitin natin ito. This time, due to EQY plus 30% of EQX naman. So, ulitin natin yan. You just copy this. Ngayon, ang QU Besabilia niya, okay, going back here, would be equal to the sum of these 4. This plus this plus this plus this divided by 4. Yan. Or, that is equal to sum of this 4 divided by 4. Or, another command there is equal to average, or that is the short for ave. Then you highlight this 4, automatic na niyang i-divide ng 4. Ano ba yan? Yan. Okay? So, average. Next, dito tayo ngayon kay FU. Dito tayo kay ayan. So, that is simply the maximum of this 4. Take note na inuulit lang natin yung ginawa natin dito, pero ito ang ginagamit natin. Okay? Next, ito naman, we will follow the same pattern here. Ito. And pwede mo, this is equal to 6 times FU. This time, ito ang ating FU plus, open parenthesis, PU all over BL. This is AA plus MUY. This is BB, open parenthesis, plus, so that is close, plus open parenthesis, AA plus CC, then close. So, natapos na natin yung numerator. I-highlight natin yan, divided by 8. Okay? Next, okay, balik tayo dito sa ating problem. Meron tayong option dito, no? To choose kung ano ang gagamitin natin. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 kapag F sub U. Then 2 kapag Besabilia. Number 3 kapag QCSI. Or number 4 kapag C maximum. Okay? So, copy natin yan. And then, si option 1, eto siya. Tapos, si QUB, that is option number 2. And then, kay QCSI, that is option number 3. And then, maximum, number 4, that is the maximum. That is simply equal to, kunin mo yung maximum niyang tatlong yan. Okay, so ganun din dito. And then, kunin mo rin yung maximum nitong tatlo. Okay? Yan. Okay, next. So we will copy this here, and then maximum of, let's say this is A and B. Okay, maximum of A and B. What is A? Ito. Then this is B. So dito, kunin mo lang yung maximum nung dalawa. Ito, tsaka this one. Tapos, eto naman, kunin mo yung maximum nitong yan, tsaka ito. Or, I forgot the maximum here. Yan. Then, ganun din dito. You simply copy that. Ayan, paste. Okay? Next, so nakuha na natin tong si allowable FU. Pupunta tayo ngayon dito kay ultimate soil pressure Q sub U. Okay, Q sub U equal to what? So, kapag ang sagot niya dito or yung pinili niya dito ay 1, okay? Pag ang pinili niya dito ay 1, 2, 3, mapapansin nyo nagbabago ito, no? Ayan o. Pag pinalitan ko to ng 1, magiging 177. Pag ginawa ko tong 2, magiging 165, and then 3, 176, and then punta na ako dun sa number 4, which is maximum, just to be conservative, which is 177.93. Okay. Let us compare muna. Okay, so dito tayo sa EQX. Okay, Control Shift S. And then ayan. Wait. Ayan. So, ito, 157, 168, 163, 174. Tapos, dito naman, ito. This is due to EQ at Y direction. Ito yon. Okay, 153, 156, 174, and 177. So that is still correct. And then, punta tayo ngayon dito sa Q sub U. Okay, so, ito. So, maglalagay tayo ng question dito. Okay? If dito tayo maglalagay equal to open parenthesis, or if this is equal to 1, then yan ang ilalagay natin. Else, if open parenthesis, this again is equal to 2, then yan ang ilalagay niya. Else, comma, if open parenthesis, i-click mo ulit ito, equal to 3, then, comma, ito ang palalabasin niya. Otherwise, kung ibang nilagay niya, 4, 5, 6, ang ilalagay niya ay obviously 177. Yan. And then, close parenthesis, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. Ayun. Bakit siya walang inilagay? Kasi wala pa tayong ini-input dito. Okay, so, paglagay tayo dito ngayon ng 1. Okay, palitan natin to ng red. So, kapag 1, ang palalabasin niya is, yan, 177.93. Kapag 2, ito ang palalabasin niya, si 165. Then, kapag 3, 176. And then, piliin natin yung maximum for si 177. Ngayon, pag nilagay mo dyan ay 5 or ABC, automatic, yan ang ilalagay niya. Dahil, yung condition niya na yan. Kapag hindi na-satisfy lahat yan, yung option 1, option 2, option 3, etong condition na yan ang ilalagay niya. Which is your maximum. Okay, next. Dito na tayo ngayon. Balik tayo. Diyan. Okay. So, let's say, allowable FU, this is equal to, ayan. Tapos, wait. Allowable FU, tapos, dito kay QU, and then this is 0. Okay? Lalagay natin dyan si eto. Tapos si QU. Ayan. Tapos lalagay natin si 0. And then maglalagay tayo ngayon ng sign equal to if, open parenthesis, this is greater than this, then comma, you have to print that sign. Otherwise, you have to print the lesser than sign. Open parenthesis and then close. Okay? So, ganun din dito. So, I will simply copy this. Yan. Okay? So, ito ngayon. So, etong nasatisfy ba itong condition na yan? Yes. Si allowable FU is 260. Your Q sub U is 177 and it is greater than 0. Therefore, safe. Okay? Therefore, safe. Then, next. Paano kung ang pinili natin ay 1? Magbabago itong Q sub U. Okay, 177.93. Pag pinalitan natin to ng 2, magiging 165, and then pag ginawa natin 3, magiging 176. Now, let us compare dito sa ating sample. So, dito ang pinili niya ay 4. Ayan. So, ito. Ang ating allowable F sub U ay 260. And then, ang ating Q sub U is 177.93 considering 4. Yan. Okay? So, okay na. It is safe. So, next to this is check number 4 check for punching shear. Okay guys, thank you for listening again.